Hey, this is Ram. Today we are going to see about a technical indicator called as Donchian channel. And before going into the video, I made a small trade today, and basically it was a day trading, and I got a very small amount of profit, around 341 rupees. Maybe quite small amount, but for this I had used only around 5,000 rupees. Actually I was having around 5,000 rupees, and I had used less than that only to do a trading today. So 50 numbers is the actual quantity I bought and sold, and I entered in this particular position at around 918 and exited at around 927. Which is hardly a 9-minute trade. Anybody wondering that how I am selecting the stock for the day trading, I request you to kindly go and check the earlier videos. In that I had discussed about how I am selecting the stocks for the day trade, and some of the easiest strategy also I had explained. So let me give the link in this video, so please go and check it. And in the end of the video, we will also discuss about which are the stocks may go well for tomorrow's trade. So as per my analysis, some of the stocks may do well tomorrow for the intraday trading. So let me show those stocks also in the end of this video. Also, before going inside the actual content, let me tell you, already we had discussed about many of the indicators, and in the trending indicator we had already discussed about this 4 technical indicators: moving average, super trend, and parabolic SAR, and ADX. And in momentum indicator we had already discussed about MACD, RSI, stochastic, and MFI. And in volatility indicator already we had completed Bollinger Band, and today we are going to discuss about this Donchian channel. So let me give the link of this videos which I made earlier. So anybody wants to go through those videos, please go and check in the description. So let us go into the video. So here I had opened one day chart of Nifty 50, and I am going to apply this particular technical indicator, Donchian channel. So now you can see the indicator got applied in this chart itself, and if you want we can change the setting also. Actually here you can see high period and low period. Basically both are 20-20. So 20 means based on this price movement, the last 20 candles high will be calculated and will show the line based on the last 20 highest price. And the low period means the last 20 lowest price will be calculated, and this line will be formed. Basically this is what the basic background of Donchian channel. And the middle line is basically calculated, means the average price of a high and low period of 20. That is how these lines are formed. So many people may think that this is like a moving average. That is actually a misinterpretation. Basically this is not at all an average line. This is the highest 20 period line, and this is the lowest 20 period line, and middle one is the average of both this price. So that is what the line formation, and we can select this channel fill, or else we don't want to if we don't want to have this channel fill, we can remove it. So let me have this one, channel fill, and we can change the color also if you want. Let me have a green, and let me have it in black only, the median line, and the low line will be in red. So let me have like this. So here you can see now clearly the green line is the upper line and the red line is the lower line. So as I said, if you want to know how this line exactly had been formed, if you see here the price is 10,331 rupees. So how this got formed, and it is almost like a straight line here. Many places you can see only the straight lines. So Bollinger Band even we had discussed earlier, which looks like a similar channel, but it is not similar basically. The back calculation is completely different. So let me calculate here how this 10,331 rupees has been formed. If you see this particular candle, from here if I am calculating for 20 period, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So from here to here, the maximum price is this level for this candlestick. This is the actual level. So exactly in this level only the line got formed. Right? This is the basic formation of the line. And similarly for the low period, for the candlestick from here to here, 20 number of candle. This candle is the lowest price. As you can see in this 20 candles, this looks in the lowest level, right? So this particular line formed based on this price, 8,804 rupees. So that is how this line got formed. So how we can trade based on this particular indicator means, as I said, this is basically a 20 days downtrend channel, and basically if the line started moving away from this upper line or upper channel, means that it had already broken the last 20 period. See here, it had already crossed, but still it couldn't go on the upper direction. It had turned down and then again it had gone up. So basically anybody wants to hold the position, so they will trade like after hitting this line they may enter in the position. But if we want to get a confirmation whether the particular stock is really bullish, then we need to wait for another 2-3 candles. So you can see here, this had already gone outside the channel. See, so again it is trying to push, but it couldn't. So it came down and again it is trying to push. So basically we need to wait whether the channel is giving a proper confirmation or not. So similarly on the downward direction, if you can see, this is breaking the low period of 20 levels. So here it had clearly started falling. So this is how actually the traders used to decide on buying or selling a position. And apart from that, many traders used to do on the other way also. Since this midline is also moving along with the downtrend channel, along with the this high and low period, once the price action moved above to this middle line or the median line, a trader may enter in the position, and then when it hits this higher levels, they may come out from their position because it may have a small reversal or a small pause, or it may trade in a flat, then it may go on the higher direction. So this is how the traders used to decide on their trade. And this downtrend channel will also create so much of a false signal, as you can see here. You can see here it is clearly pushing the line. Actually for a quite long time the market was in a flat, and it is trying to push the line or the highest period of 20 days, but still it couldn't break it out, and again it came flat, and it is trading flat for quite long time. So this may also create so much of false signal. So it is better to club this particular technical indicator with any other technical indicator, like any trending indicator or a momentum oscillator, or any other indicator can be added up with this particular indicator, so that trader won't be end up with loss, and they can take any decision perfectly. So that is what all about Don Chen channel. And as I said, I had seeing some of the stocks are giving a good signal for tomorrow's trade. NMDC, About India, and State Bank of India, Hero Motorcorp, and Titan Company. So I believe a few of these stocks may move in a good way. So thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe to our channel, like the videos.